Hey guys, it's Alicia. Welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a really freaking cool image like this where the text is behind the subject and it's also at an angle. This is just a really super cool text idea, and I'm going to show you just how simple it is to do. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. I'm going to go ahead and create an extra page. So I'm going to go over to Elements and find a photo that I would like to use. I'm going to use this one. Now you can use your own image. I'm using this just for the purposes of teaching you how to do it. I'm going to get this and snap this into place. And let me make this just a little bit smaller so I can see what I'm going to go ahead and delete this image right here. Okay, so here's our image. Now I'm going to go over here to edit because I want this to be black and white, and I'm going to click adjust, and I'm going to go down to saturation and just take it all the way down, and I want to go over to contrast and take my contrast about 55%. And that's just the way that I like it. That's just the style I'm going for. Also, let me go back to the edit because I want to take the temperature down. It still looks a little brownish. So let me go back to the temperature and take the temperature down. I am going to click add a page. Next, I'm going to add a heading, and I'm going to type the name Bella, which is the stage name I use in almost all my videos. You can use whatever font you would like, but I'm going to use Antonio. And I'm going to make this bigger. I'm going to change the color of the text. However, I just want you to know that I probably might mess around with this some more once I get it back onto the design. So for right now, I'm going to go ahead and download this. So I'm going to download on a transparent background, this page, download. Once we have done that, we can go ahead and we can delete this page right here. We're going to head over to apps, and we are going to use the app called Transform Image. And we're going to upload what we just downloaded. Once we have this design in here, you can move this around. I'm going to start over here to the left and just kind of start making it go from left to right this way. Now I'm going to add this design to the image. About right here. Now I'm going to go to layers, and I want to see all my layers. So I'm going to tap on show layers, and I'm going to find the image, and I'm going to duplicate the image. Now that I have the image duplicated, I'm going to remove the background. And now it's just like putting a puzzle together. So we're going to take this and move it over until it snaps into place. And we can go back to our layers anytime, and you can see your layers. And I want this Bella, and I think I'm going to make this just a little bit bigger and move it. And look at how amazing this turned out. I absolutely love how this turned out. Subscribe to learn more Canva tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.